Hey guys, come wash Nala with me today. Look, it was perfect actually. I've been wanting to show you some of the new products, and we went on a walk this morning and Nala got some poop. Not bad. Typically what I would have done is taken my doggy mitt, and she's like, what is going on today? We're in a different spot, Mommy. I just need to go and get some breakfast. But anyway, so typically what I would do is just take the dog mitt and just get it out, okay? It's okay. So, but I wanted to show you something. We might have to move over there. But I wanted to show you some of the new products. So Norwex came out with a 2-in-1 shampoo. So I had been using something that was like not a shampoo, so it wouldn't dry out her hair. So I'm so thankful that Norwex now came out with a 2-in-1 dog shampoo that is non-toxic and that is clean, and it won't dry their hair. So I just want to show you just really quick just kind of how it would work. I'm in my sink. I'm just going to scrub off the poop that was initially there. And this is new. I just got it. I'm super excited to try it and kind of give you guys my my take on it. So let's see. I like the smell. It's a little stronger for me than I'm used to. We're not used to much scents or anything like that. So I like that the scents, the fragrance in there though is a plant-based fragrance. So I don't have to worry about being toxic. It comes from like essential oils and plants, and it derives from there. So I'm gonna have you guys just come with me because Nala is used to getting washed right here in this spot, and so I don't want to get her all. But she's like, Mama, right here. Okay, so here you go. Right here is the poop. So I'm just going to kind of concentrate on that area. Typically, I do not have to wash Nala. I don't put her in the tub necessarily. I think I only did that when she was little one time, trying to figure out how it was best for her. But she doesn't like a hose or water or anything like that. And what I like about this is that I don't have to. I literally can just take the mitt for the most part and water and clean her off. And what I love about this pet mitt is it also pulls out some of the extra hair that is coming out anyway. So I like it that it's not a strong smell. Probably will have to get used to it. She knows it's something different. So there's some more dog poop, and it's just coming out easily. Or I guess whatever poop she got into, But this is typically all I would do on a regular basis. Now you can also flip it over, and then without the shampoo and just water, I can run it over her one more time. And what it does is it leaves her fur very soft. I love that. The mitt has always done that. But now that I have this little 2-in-1 shampoo, I like that little extra maybe scent. It almost smells, I don't know, it's an interesting, okay, she's getting a little upset because this is totally new for her. It's not the mitt, but she's hungry. And she's like, Mommy, normally you don't do a video, you just kind of clean me up, wash me up, and then I'm good to go. So I'm gonna let her go, but I do want to show you some other products that we got in our dog line, just really quick, okay? Okay, I'm gonna skip the brushing today, and just let her go and get some water, okay? All right, so let me show you something else. This is not one of our new products, you know that, but this is typically where I love to keep it here right before I get into the house because it traps a lot of the dirt, sand, debris that comes from our shoes. Even if you go out barefooted, you can actually wipe your feet on this before you walk in. I love it. But let me show you something else that just And that's this new pet doormat. It's got some paws in there. You can probably use this anywhere. You can use it to trap the dust, the hair, for your dogs, for your pets, the cats, whatever it may be. So find a good place for this. Where I'm gonna put this in is her crate, actually. I've been using just like a bathroom, you know, rug kind of thing, and I'm gonna actually put that here. We did get a new pet towel. Part of the reason I like these pet towels, when she gets really, really wet in the rain, you can put your hands on it and go over her, and then you can just, you know, wipe them down. But I do love the new style. Don't you? It's got the little doggy clips on there. It's just a different trim. It still has a silver antibacterial agent on both of these. And then, one of the other things that I'm super excited about is that in between those uses, something that I had to deal with is if she gets into a lot of cow poop, sometimes the smell will last for 3-4 days. And so I would honestly was spraying mattress cleaner on her every now and then. Probably shouldn't do that because it removes the pet odor, the organic matter and stuff like that. So we now have a specific dog deodorizer. So I love that. You can just spray your doggy. It's specific to dogs, not any other animal though, okay? So a dog deodorizer, you spray it, and or at least it's been tested for them. So I'm not so sure about horses or anything of the sort, but I'm sure you could try it. So anyway, it's for those in-between uses. Sometimes when you take her somewhere or you have family coming over or something like that, and you just want to spray her, you can do that. So, all right, I'm excited. There's some other things coming, but since she got into dog, what did she get? Deer poop, I guess it was. I thought I could show you. All right, bye guys.